how to copy and paste text in MacBook. I will open the notes in my MacBook, and in case I want to copy this text and I want to paste it somewhere else, then I will select all this using my mouse, then press Command key and C together and it will copy your text. If I want to paste it somewhere else, press Command key and V, it will paste the text there. Thank you. If you want to cut the text and paste it somewhere else, select the text using your mouse, press Command key and X together. And now if you want to paste the same text, press Command key and V, it will paste the cut text. Okay. In case you want to search something in your MacBook, you need to press Command key and the space key together and it will open a search box for you. For example, you want to search or you want to open Chrome in your MacBook, then you will type Chrome and it will show you a lot of results here. You need to select the top one, which is actually going to your local MacBook system. Whatever the results you are seeing from the internet, you can simply ignore those. And on this first result, we will double click and it will open the Google Chrome for you. Doing some work and you want to go directly to your desktop. In that case, click Command and F3 keys together and you will go back to the desktop. If you want to switch between the tabs in your MacBook, press the Command key and the Tab key together and it will show you all the tabs opened in your MacBook. In case you want to switch, just suppose here if I want to open Terminal, then I will go to Terminal and I will release the key and it will open the terminal in my MacBook. If you want to open terminal, in Windows we used to call it command prompt, in MacBook we call it terminal. If you want to open terminal in your MacBook, press Command key and space key together and search for terminal. Double click on the first result, terminal, under the utilities, and it will open the terminal of your MacBook.